The apprehension of a suspect has nothing to do with Wall Street this morning, absolutely nothing. But we do have a minor loss for the Dow. This is in pre-market trading. Minor loss for the S&P, small gain for the Nasdaq. Kenny Polcari, as usual, with me on a Friday morning. The market has surged recently. We've had a series of new highs.
Right.
Is it going to continue?
No, listen, I think it feels tired. I felt this way for a while, right? I love to see the market go higher, but I actually think it's discounted all this Fed information. It's expecting 3 rate cuts now. Yeah. Unless he comes out and is really dovish or changes his narrative so much to surprise the markets, I think the markets are toppy. And then I think they kind of retrace a little bit and churn and build a base.
It could be buy on the rumor, sell on the news.
Absolutely could be that. So no one should be surprised if that happens.
How do you invest in a market like this? I mean, you know, this is your business.
I hear you, but it's with a very specific plan. You stick to your plan. You don't make emotional decisions. You stick to the plan.
You see, I do. Well, I make emotional decisions, I'm afraid. That's an admission. Let's give some good news here. Mortgage rates moved down to their lowest, the biggest drop in many years. The 30-year fixed rate is now 6.35%. Right. That's a good sign for the housing market and therefore the stock market.
It's down from 7%, over the summer. It's down. We saw mortgage apps up 9.2% this week in that weekly mortgage number. So yes, it is a positive, and by all accounts, the rates will continue to go lower if the Fed makes these cuts as expected, and that'll be good for the housing market.
The yield on the 10-year Treasury, you're down to 4.06%. That's not necessarily good news.
No, but
that might imply a slowdown in the economy later.
Well, it might, or it might just imply that. Right. Listen, yesterday we broke it. We traded down to 399 yesterday, very shortly, but for a small period of time. But we did break it yesterday.
Okay, so hold your breath, right?
Yeah. Well, you always have to hold your breath and just jump in.
Okay, Kenny, stay there. You're with me for the hour.